Exponential functions by Sudheesh, Sumedh, and Khanjan. So what are exponential functions? Exponential functions are functions that grow at an exponential rate, like if you have money that is invested and it multiplies over time. So let's look at an exponential function. This is an exponential function. Y equals a times b to the power of x minus h. So what do these variables mean? Well, the variables can do many things such as transformations. So let's look at a few of those. Let's start off with a. So a is the starting value and the vertical stretch factor. So the higher the a value, the higher the bottom of the graph will be. The lower the bottom of the graph will be. A negative a will result in a reflection over the x-axis. Let's look at b. So b is the exponential growth factor, or the rate of change, and it is also the face value. So if b is greater than 1, then you have an exponential growth, as we can see in these two over here. If it's between 0 and 1, then you have a decay. It basically is going the other way as these two. Next is h. So h is the horizontal translation factor. If h is a higher value, then it'll move to the left. If it is a lower value, it'll move to the right. So let's say this is a negative number, and this is a positive number for the h value. So next is n. But before we look at n, let's go back to our equation. So as we can see here, the exponent is x minus h. But if we look at another function, it's x over n. So what does the n do? Well, the n represents the steepness of the graph. If it is a higher value, then it will be less steep. A lower value makes it more steep. So those are basics for exponential functions. Thank you for watching.